Cruise Confessions: 10 Secret Rules to Know Before You Go. Embarking on a cruise vacation is an exciting and luxurious way to explore the world's seas and oceans. However, beneath the glitz and glamour of these floating paradises lies a hidden world of unspoken rules that can significantly impact your onboard experience. Before you set sail, let's dive into the depths of Cruise Confessions and uncover 10 secret rules you must know to make the most out of your voyage. Here at Cruise's Edge, we tap into our decades of cruise experience and share what we've learned over the years to help improve your cruise vacations. And in today's video, we're letting you in on what you need to know before you set sail on your next cruise. So let's set sail into this informative journey. So, first up, when it comes to poolside relaxation, it's important to remember that deck chairs are meant for active use. While it's tempting to claim your favorite spot and head off to explore other parts of the ship, it's essential to be considerate of fellow passengers. Please refrain from leaving personal belongings on the chairs for extended periods when you're not present at the pool area. Let's ensure everyone has a fair chance to bask in the sun and enjoy the poolside amenities without any undue chair reservations. Secondly, the buffet ballet. In the world of cruise dining, the buffet is a stage for both culinary delights and etiquette hurdles. Cruisegoers have mastered the art of gracefully navigating crowded buffet lines. Never cut the line, and remember to use the provided tongs and utensils to avoid food handling faux pas. We've put together a video covering the do's and don'ts of cruise ship buffets. I'll be sure to put a link in the description so you can check that video out next. It can help make a difference in how you approach your next visit to the buffet. Third, we'll cover elevator etiquette. Prepare for elevator etiquette that might seem more complicated than learning a new dance. When the doors open, allow passengers to exit before boarding. If you're in no rush, consider waiting for the next ride to avoid the hustle and bustle. And sometimes, if practical, take the stairs to help avoid the congestion. With all of the delicacies you might be enjoying on board, you might want to take the opportunity to get in a few extra steps. If it's just a level or two to your next destination, you might find taking the stairs a real time saver. Fourth is formal night finesse. On formal nights, cruise ships transform into glamorous affairs. From cocktail dresses to tuxedos, dressing up is the norm. Don't get caught underdressed. Plan ahead and embrace the chance to shine in your best attire. But don't feel pressured to dress up if it's not your style, while it may be fun for many. If you decide not to, you can still go out and dine in the main dining room dressed in smart, casual attire. On some of our cruises, we go all out and dress to impress. It's a fun departure from the norm, but there are also times where we opt not to, and we enjoy our nights out just the same. The choice is yours. Do you guys like to dress up, or do you keep it casual on formal nights? Let us know in the comments section below. We'd love to see which one gets the most votes. Fifth, the art of porthole privacy. Cruise cabins often feature portholes or balconies, offering stunning views. However, be mindful of your surroundings, especially when enjoying your balcony. Other passengers can see and hear more than you might think. Just remember, when you walk out onto your balcony, be prepared, especially if you're in port, be prepared to greet other passengers on the ship parked across from you. While at sea, this is not as much of a problem. Number 6. The ship's casino beckons with a magnetic allure, offering a world of excitement and entertainment. While indulging in the gaming thrills, it is vital to embrace a mindset of responsible gaming for an experience that leaves a lasting positive impression. The casino is designed to enchant with its array of slot machines, card tables, and games of chance. As you immerse yourself in this vibrant atmosphere, remember that moderation is key. Set clear personal limits on your gambling budget to ensure you remain within comfortable bounds. Remember that while the casino may exude a captivating aura, there's a wealth of other onboard activities to explore and savor. Balance your time between various shipboard experiences, and you'll create a harmonious and unforgettable journey. Allow the thrill of the journey to extend far beyond the casino floor as you revel in every facet of your cruise adventure. Seventh, respect the crew. The ship's crew works tirelessly to ensure your comfort and safety, and to make sure we all have a great cruise. We've personally had some really great service on most of the ships we've traveled on, and in some cases, above and beyond. So when you get the chance, show appreciation and respect to the hardworking staff members who make your voyage memorable. A simple thank you goes a long way.
Hi cruisers, I'm Shay, your cruise director. We're sailing under beautifully clear skies today. But I've just gotten word from the captain. Apparently there's a YouTube algorithm monster just ahead. A lot of research and effort goes into making a video like this. Hopefully if we keep things ship-shape, the algorithm monster will let us pass. We'll start by swabbing the deck. You can help us out by polishing up that like button and gently depressing it. You can smash it if you like. But we would like to be able to say no, like buttons were harmed in the making of this video. Oh, and don't forget to show the subscribe button some attention, and ring the bell so you will be notified of our upcoming videos. It would help us out greatly. We have some really good content coming up, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Alright guys, this is Shay, your cruise director signing off. Thanks, and back to the video.
Coming in at number 8. Mind the captain's orders. During the mandatory safety drills, pay attention and follow all instructions given by the crew. These drills are in place to keep everyone safe in case of an emergency, and compliance is vital. We've seen so many passengers who are just really excited to get on board and get on with their vacations, and they put off going to their muster drills. That only delays the sail away, because ships are not allowed to leave port until everyone has attended the safety briefing. So it's best to get on board, get settled in, and then get the muster drill over with as soon as possible, so the good times can begin. 9th is shipboard cell phone courtesy. In this era of hyperconnectivity, smartphones have become an integral part of our daily lives, even during a cruise vacation. While staying connected with loved ones and capturing cherished moments is essential, it's equally crucial to strike a balance between connectivity and respecting the serenity of shared spaces on board. Throughout your cruise journey, you'll encounter numerous opportunities to immerse yourself in the ship's diverse offerings, from engaging performances to sumptuous dining experiences. To fully savor these moments, it's considerate to silence or set your phone to vibrate during such events. Additionally, communal spaces like theaters, lounges, and dining areas benefit from an ambience of tranquility, enhancing the overall cruise experience for everyone. Engage with your surroundings and fellow travelers, fostering a sense of camaraderie and shared appreciation for the journey. That said, modern cruise ships often provide internet access, making it convenient to stay connected with friends and family, share awe-inspiring vacation snapshots, and keep up with important updates. Choose specific times for checking messages or social media to ensure you don't miss out on precious moments while maintaining a respectful balance. 10th is disembarkation. As your cruise adventure draws to a close, thoughtful planning for the disembarkation process ensures a stress-free and seamless conclusion to your unforgettable journey. Understanding the essential aspects of disembarkation can make all the difference in your overall experience. The night before disembarkation, if you choose, you can take advantage of the convenience offered by many cruise lines and get your luggage tags from your room steward. These tags are essential for identifying your bags during the disembarkation process, streamlining the transfer of luggage from your stateroom to the designated disembarkation area. For those who prefer a swift and self-reliant departure, the opportunity for early debarkation presents itself if you are capable of carrying all your luggage without assistance. This option allows you to retain your bags and facilitates an expedited exit from the ship. By opting for this choice, you can enjoy the advantage of disembarking at your convenience, avoiding delays, and starting your journey home or to your next destination promptly. On the other hand, if you prefer a more hands-free approach, checking your bags with the ship's crew allows for a relaxed disembarkation experience. Your luggage will be collected from your stateroom the night before, and you can bid farewell to your bags until you reach the designated baggage claim area ashore. While this option may involve a slight waiting period, it grants you the freedom to enjoy a leisurely breakfast or explore the ship for a bit longer before saying your goodbyes. Whichever disembarkation choice you make, remember to take any essential items you may need in your carry-on luggage, such as travel documents, medications, and personal valuables. Ensuring your carry-on is well prepared grants peace of mind, allowing you to navigate the disembarkation process with ease. As the voyage draws to a close, cherish the memories of your remarkable cruise experience while being mindful of the disembarkation details. By securing your luggage tags, choosing the debarkation option that best suits your preferences, and organizing your carry-on belongings thoughtfully, you'll ensure a smooth and gratifying conclusion to your cruise vacation. By arming yourself with these 10 secret rules, you'll navigate your cruise vacation like a seasoned sailor. Embrace the adventure, make new friends, and revel in the beauty of the high seas, all while being a courteous and savvy cruise-goer. Thanks for watching The Cruiser's Edge. Our goal is to help keep you informed and up to date on all things cruising, giving you an edge on cruising. If there's a video topic you'd like for us to cover, be sure to let us know in the comments section. Until next time, we here at Cruiser's Edge are wishing you happy and unforgettable cruising experiences. Bon voyage!